Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Touri. Today's discussion is on VPNs, virtual private networks, VPNs. In this digital age where privacy and security are paramount, understanding how VPNs work and their benefits is crucial. So, let's dive in. What is a VPN? Firstly, what exactly is a VPN? A virtual private network is a powerful tool that creates a secure and encrypted connection over the internet. It allows users to access the internet as if they were connected to a private network, even when using a public network. Let's break down the essentials of how VPNs work and the benefits of using a VPN. 1. Encryption. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted. This means that the data you send and receive is transformed into a secure code, making it difficult for third parties, such as hackers or government entities, to intercept and decipher the information. 2. IP address. Masking. A VPN can hide your real IP address and replace it with the IP address of the VPN server. This helps to anonymize your online activities and provides an additional layer of privacy. 3. Bypassing geo-restrictions. VPNs can be used to access content that might be restricted based on your geographical location. By connecting to a server in a different location, you can make it appear as though you are accessing the internet from that location. 4. Enhanced security on public Wi-Fi. When using public Wi-Fi networks, your data is vulnerable to potential security threats. VPNs encrypt your data, making it more difficult for malicious actors to intercept and misuse your information. 5. Remote access. VPNs are commonly used by businesses to allow remote workers to securely access company resources, databases, and applications. 5 popular and best VPN services to choose from. 1. ExpressVPN, known for its speed, security, and extensive server network. 2. NordVPN offers strong security features and a large server network, with additional features like an ad blocker. 3. Surfshark allows unlimited simultaneous connections and offers robust security. 4. CyberGhost, known for its user-friendly interface, extensive server network, and dedicated streaming servers. 5. ProtonVPN emphasizes privacy and security with a free plan available. In conclusion, a VPN is a powerful tool for safeguarding your online presence. Whether you're concerned about privacy, security, or accessing geo-restricted content, a VPN is a versatile solution. Remember to choose a VPN service that aligns with your specific needs and priorities. Thank you for joining us today here at Tech Touri. Till next time, stay secure, stay private, and happy browsing.